أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Masjid Al Ghamama is built on the site where the Prophet, peace be upon him, performed the Eid Salah during the last years of his life. So this masjid is also known as Masjid Eid. This is also the location where the Prophet, peace be upon him, performed a special salah for invocation of rain. The word Ghamama means clouds, which suddenly appeared and brought rain after the Prophet, peace be upon him, had performed the prayer. According to some reports, this was also the area where the Prophet, peace be upon him, performed the Janazah prayer of Najashi. He was the emperor of Aksum in Abyssinia, known as Ethiopia today. Najashi, although being a Christian, had welcomed the groups of Muslims who had migrated to his country in order to escape the persecution of the Quraysh, and later on accepted Islam. When, however, he passed away, there was nobody to lead the funeral prayers, and so the Prophet, peace be upon him, prayed his Janazah Salah. This is the only time ever he did so in the absence of the actual body. Masjid Al Ghamama is one of the oldest masjids in Medina. It is also one of the historical relics of the city. The masjid is only located 500 meters west of Masjid Al Nabawi, and until recently it remained closed for the daily prayers. The masjid has been open now for worshippers who come and pray 5 times daily. An internal sound system has been fashioned in order to avoid the clash of sounds from Masjid Nabawi. The masjid has a rectangular shape and is divided into 2 parts, the entrance door and the prayer room. The exterior of the masjid is surrounded by beautiful palm trees. The masjid retains much of its look from the Ottoman era when it was renovated the last time. Visitors will find the architecture of the masjid has a slightly traditional touch as compared to the other masjids in the area. Pigeons are often seen flocking in the courtyard of the masjid, with visitors feeding them. At night, as the masjid lights up, its beauty is enhanced with domes resembling shining orbs. If you found this video useful and informative, please subscribe. We'll now head towards the inside of the masjid to take a closer look.
اللهم صل وسلم على خير المرسلين وعلى أصحابه أجمعين وعلى أصحابه أجمعين. اللهم صل وسلم على خير المرسلين وعلى أصحابه أجمعين وعلى أصحابه أجمعين. اللهم صل على سيدنا مصطفى اللهم صل على سيدنا مصطفى صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. اللهم صل وسلم على خير المرسلين.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام